Hi, I'm Chris from Blue Microphones. We're here at the Logitech Blue Microphone booth. Today we're showing you the new Yeti X. It's the ultimate mic for content creation. We've done some changes from the original Yeti. As you can see, it still has the same iconic design. We've added a couple of new features, tactile button, visual notifications to see how the gain is. We've put multiple functions on a tactile button here in the front, so you can press and hold to switch between the 3 different functions. You have the new button on the back side for recording patterns. Also new with the Yeti X is that it has 4 capsules instead of 3 that the Yeti has, which allows you to record a fuller sound. And we also are including our Blue Voice software that will let you tweak and make the sound better. You can control your environment and how it records your voice and surroundings.
Dieses Video wird euch von Cooler Master präsentiert. News und Testberichte zu Cooler Master Produkten findet ihr unter dem Link in der Infokarte.
When it comes to the Blue Voice software, we actually have integrated presets that make you able to save your most used presets for how you record. If you have one for the home, one for the office, one for the road, or if you have a friend or a content creator that has a sound that you really like, you can copy that and import it into your settings and use that. When it comes to the LED lighting on this microphone, they are all customizable, so you can make it look and feel like your own, make it perfectly fit into your setup. It will be available in stores around the world at the end of October. Price point is going to be €179. Thank you for coming and thank you for listening.